Okay, so we got home from the hospital in just enough time, just good enough time before the storm hit. So our fridge is full. We did all the grocery shopping that we could. We got all the snacks up there. We got a lot of stuff in our freeze over here. Of course, Jasiri got all the milk that he need. All the Lunchables and stuff for the kids. Our snacks and stuff over here. Oh, yeah. And we got more water. We're gonna keep that by the door. So anyway, I am getting ready to do their dinner. All three of them are upstairs chilling. So I'm about to get ready to. I just got done mopping. We're gonna do dinner, and then we're gonna watch a movie, and we're gonna just chill and watch the snow come down. Hope you guys stay safe. Happy Saturday. And I will see you all tomorrow to show y'all what my area look like. Bye.